from Jamestown Estate Homes. I am the starts coordinator and the office manager here. Today we're going to go over a few tips and tricks on how to get your plans through the City of Houston permitting a little bit faster. Our first tip today is actually creating a logbook of all your past comments. So we've done that here. City of Houston actually gives you common things to remember. We've actually added a few items that we had missed a few times in the past. This has helped us a great deal, so we think it's a really good deal for everyone else, but the City of Houston will try and get you for any and anything, really, but it's helped us a lot. It cut our time probably in half. And my second tip would be make sure you have measurements everywhere. If you think it possibly needed to measurement, put it, because they will get you for everything, whether it's awnings, setbacks, all the dimensions for culverts, open ditches, property lines. You just need all those measurements. That will help you a lot. And my third tip is for flex rooms. We have put optional and flex, and City of Houston has always told us you can't do that. So we've started changing them into offices and studies because that's the easiest thing you can convert after everything is said and done. Well, I hope these help you, and I'm Laura from Jamestown Estate Homes, and I'm signing off. Have a great day.